Hi, today we're going to be talking about data validation using Google Sheets. So let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the spreadsheet that we've been using. And I noticed that every time that I'm putting in a new score, I have to put in math, reading, or science, and that's getting a little old. So I'm going to highlight all those. And I'm going to go over here to data, and I'm going to go down to data validation. I'm going to click on data validation. I'm going to get a little window that's going to come up, and it's going to give me a range of cells, and it's going to ask me what do I want to put in there. So I'm going to say a list of items, and I'm going to break them up by a comma. So I'm going to put in there math, science, and reading. And I'm going to show them as a list. And I'm going to click save. Now this is so cool. So now every time that I go to a cell and I want to change it from reading to science to math, all I have to do is click on the little disclosure arrow. And there we go. And those are the only three options that can be put into that cell. So now I'm going to change this one to science, I'm going to change this one to math, change this one to reading, etc. And that is how you use data validation. Thank you so much for watching.